How to transfer money from DoorDash Crimson Card to bank account. So first up, there is no direct way to transfer to your bank account from the DoorDash Crimson Card. However, you can use two methods. One is using the Dasher Direct app or link your Crimson Card to another service like Cash App. To use the Dasher Direct app, you need to open your Dasher Direct app and navigate to Move Money. Find the More option on the bottom right of the home screen and tap Move Money, followed by Send Money. If you haven't already, add your bank account details by tapping the bank account icon and entering the required information. Select the bank you want to transfer to, enter the amount, and review the details and confirm the transfer. The second option is by using Cash App. Link your Crimson card in Cash App by opening Cash App and go into your profile, usually the icon in the top right corner. Add money from Crimson by navigating to your linked bank accounts to add your Crimson card details. Once your account is linked and the funds transferred to Cash App, unlink the Crimson card, add your actual bank account details, and withdraw the funds. Select the instant or standard transfer. Some important considerations include fees, so it's worth checking the options before confirming. Check the processing times as well as the Crimson card limits before transferring. You can use other services like Apple Pay to transfer funds from the Crimson card to Apple Cash and then to your bank account. And that's how you transfer money from DoorDash Crimson Card to bank account.